In this video, we'll delve into the concept of environmental eating, a dietary approach that not only promotes personal health but also has a positive impact on the planet. But before we dive in, we kindly ask you to subscribe to Healthism for more informative content like this. Your support helps us continue to share valuable insights on health and sustainability. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of environmental eating and discover how our food choices can make a real difference, not just for our well-being but for the environment as well. Environmental eating, also known as sustainable eating or eco-friendly eating, is a dietary approach that seeks to make food choices that not only promote personal health but also have a positive impact on the planet. It recognizes that our food choices are intricately linked to environmental issues, including climate change, and that making mindful choices can contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly food system. Why does environmental eating matter? The global food system is a major contributor to climate change, responsible for approximately 1/3 of all greenhouse gas emissions, GHGs, worldwide. This encompasses various aspects of food production, processing, distribution, and consumption. Here are some key reasons why environmental eating is essential. 1. Greenhouse gas emissions. The entire life cycle of food production, from farm to table, involves the release of GHGs. This includes emissions from the cultivation of crops, livestock farming, transportation, and food processing. Notably, methane, a potent GHG, is released during the digestion process of animals raised for food. 2. Resource depletion. Food production consumes vast amounts of natural resources, including land, water, and energy. Unsustainable agricultural practices can lead to soil degradation, excessive water use, and the depletion of non-renewable energy sources. 3. Deforestation. The expansion of agriculture, particularly for livestock farming and crop cultivation, contributes to deforestation. This not only reduces biodiversity but also releases carbon stored in trees into the atmosphere. 4. Labor practices. Many food production systems employ inequitable labor practices, often involving exploitation and unfair wages for workers, particularly in developing countries. 5. Pollution. The use of pesticides, fertilizers, and chemicals in agriculture can lead to soil and water pollution, harming ecosystems and human health. 6. Packaging waste. Processed and packaged foods often come with excessive packaging, much of which is not recyclable, contributing to plastic pollution. 7. Health implications. Unsustainable and highly processed diets are linked to chronic health issues, including obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Given these challenges, there is a growing food revolution aimed at improving the sustainability of our food system. This movement encompasses a range of strategies and initiatives, from adopting better farming practices and labor regulations to implementing more sustainable water management and leveraging technology to reduce food waste. When practicing environmental eating, individuals can make choices that align with these sustainable food goals. Here are some key principles and practices. 1. Opt for plants first. Plant-based foods, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, typically have a significantly lower environmental footprint compared to animal-based products. They emit fewer GHGs and, in the case of plants, can sequester carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. 2. Limit animal-based products, especially red meat. While reducing overall consumption of animal-based foods is beneficial, it's particularly important to limit red meat consumption. Red meat production is associated with the highest environmental impact and contributes significantly to GHG emissions. Choosing regeneratively raised animal products can mitigate some of these impacts. 3. Minimize processed foods. Highly processed foods often contain numerous ingredients, each with its own environmental impact. Additionally, they tend to come with excessive packaging, including non-recyclable plastics. Reducing the consumption of processed foods is both healthier and more eco-friendly. 4. Support local and organic. While not all local and organic farming systems are perfect, they generally employ more sustainable practices than conventional methods. Organic farming avoids the use of harmful chemicals, and buying local products can reduce transportation-related emissions and support the local economy. Now, let's explore 6 foods that align with the principles of environmental eating while providing essential nutrients and health benefits. 1. Lentils. Lentils are a versatile staple that can be added to soups, salads, grain bowls, and dals. They are rich in protein, fiber, B vitamins, zinc, iron, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, copper, manganese, and plant compounds. Lentils not only sequester carbon through their growth but also help improve soil health by fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere. 2. Mushrooms. Both adaptogenic and classic mushrooms, such as portobello, button, enoki, and oyster, offer a variety of nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. They play a vital role in ecosystem health by helping to recycle nutrients and clean up the environment. 3. Spirulina. This blue-green algae is a nutritional powerhouse, providing protein, prebiotics, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, copper, manganese, and various plant compounds. Spirulina grows rapidly and sequesters significant amounts of carbon. It can even be grown hydroponically, further reducing its environmental footprint. 4. Dark leafy greens. Kale, collards, spinach, and arugula are examples of dark leafy greens rich in fiber, vitamin K, iron, calcium, and bioactive compounds. They are not only nutritious but also environmentally friendly, as they grow quickly and can be produced year-round with minimal environmental impact. 5. Oranges. Citrus fruits like oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, which supports immune health. Oranges are also sustainable fruits, as they are typically harvested from long-standing trees that sequester carbon from the atmosphere. 6. Anchovies. Although not a conventional choice, anchovies are a nutritious and sustainable source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, selenium, and B vitamins. Their low position in the food chain means they grow quickly, have low mercury levels, and are more abundant than larger fish species. This makes them a sustainable seafood option. Incorporating these foods into your diet can support both your personal health and the health of the planet. By adopting environmental eating practices and making eco-conscious food choices, you can play a role in mitigating climate change and promoting a more sustainable food system. This approach empowers individuals to contribute positively to the environment while enjoying nutritious and delicious meals. We appreciate your viewership. Connecting with and supporting our channel means the world to us. Your support empowers us to continue creating valuable content. Thank you for being part of our community.